Hello everyone. Welcome back to Geography class. Previous class we were discussing the chapter Industries. We learned the factors influencing location of industries. Several factors play a role in determining the location of industries. Which are they? Nearness to raw materials, which can help in reduction of cost and difficulties of transportation, and availability of labor, proximity to markets, efficient systems of transportation, availability of power and water, government aid, availability of capital. Today, let's study about the important industries of the world. Some of the more important industries in the world include the iron and steel, textile, sugar, shipbuilding, fishing, automobiles, and information technology industries. First, let's say iron and steel industry. Iron and steel is a fundamental industry. That is, it is a necessary base because its products form the raw material for several other industries. The main raw materials used in this industry are iron ore, coal, manganese, and limestone. Large amounts of coal, electricity, and water are also needed for the production of steel. Steel is used in the automobile, machinery, shipbuilding, construction, and transportation industries, among many others. Which are the top producers of steel in the world? First is Asia, in which China is the world's leading producer of iron and steel. Shanghai, Tianjin, and Wuhan are the main producing regions of China. It is followed by Japan, where Nagasaki and Yokohama are the main producing regions. India is the third largest producer of steel in the world. Vishakhapatnam, Bokoro, Jamshedpur, Rourkela, Bhilai, Durgapur, Salem, and in Karnataka, that is, proud to tell, Bhadravati, are the main centers of production in India. Next is North America. USA is the largest producer of iron and steel in North America. Steel production in USA is spread across these regions. The North Appalachian region, which includes Pittsburgh, Youngstown. The Great Lake region, which includes Chicago, Gary, Detroit, Erie, Lorraine, Cleveland, Buffalo, and Duluth. The Mid Atlantic coast, which includes Sparrows Point and Morrisville. So, these are the regions where iron and steel is produced more in North America. At present, most of the iron and steel produced in the United States is made from iron and steel scrap instead of iron ore. So, what is ore? It is naturally occurring solid material from which metal is extracted. So, nowadays they are using directly iron and steel scrap instead of extracting it from ore. Mexico is also an important producer of iron and steel in North America. Next is Europe. Russia, Germany, Turkey, Ukraine, Italy, Spain, and France are the top producers of steel in Europe. South America. Brazil is among the leading producers of steel in the world. Colombia and Venezuela also produce steel. Next, let's learn about textile industries. Textile is a fabric or cloth made from yarn. So, what is yarn? It is a spun thread used for weaving, knitting, or sewing. The textile industry uses natural fibers like cotton, wool, silk, and jute. So, these are all the raw materials used in industries. In recent times, synthetic fibers like nylon, polyester, and rayon are also being used as raw materials. So, if we go to purchase clothes, first they ask us, do we need cotton cloth or synthetic? Because cotton is made from natural fibers and it costs more. And synthetic fibers, it is used from man-made fibers like nylon, polyester and rayon, which cost less compared to cotton clothes. Historically, cotton textiles have had the most demand among textiles worldwide. In India, the production and trade of cotton textiles has taken place since ancient times. Before, it was done by hand. Later, after Industrial Revolution, simple tools and machines were used to manufacture textiles. Handlooms continue to be a significant part of the Indian textile industry. Today, the textile industry is fine craftsmanship. What is craftsmanship? That is skill in a particular craft. They face increasing competition from mass produced factory made textiles, which are cheaper and easier to make. Why? Because it costs less. For example, if you take khadi, khadi is a hand woven clothes. It is most costly fabric compared to machine made fabric because it needs much physical work of a labor. Top producers of textiles: China, USA, India, and Italy are the top producers of cotton textiles in the world. The main centers of textile industry in India are Coimbatore, Kanpur, Puducherry, Panipat, Ahmedabad, Chennai, and Kolkata. Various regions of India have developed distinct style in textile making, which are popular nationally and internationally. For example, chikankari. So, chikankari is a traditional embroidery style from Lucknow, which means embroidery. It is best known textile decoration styles. Kalamkari. So, kalamkari is a type of hand painted cotton textile. It is manufactured in Kalahasti, Andhra Pradesh. Kanjivaram Silks. It is a famous silks of India. It is a type of silk saree made in Kanchipuram region in Tamil Nadu. Ikat silks. It is a silk manufactured in Odisha, and Gujarat. So, some regions of India they have their own distinct style of textile which is famous worldwide. This is about today's topics. Learn well. See you in the next class. Thank you.